I wanted to show you how I got my control arm bushings, losing words here, back onto my 1968 Polara upper control arm. So this control arm, I've stripped all of the junk off of it, and the ball joint's gone, and the control arm bushings are gone. Took them out. So now this one's just sitting in the top right there. So what I've done, so I had to press out the bushings with my press, and I had to buy a special socket, which set me back like 90 bucks. Came in a set of 2 sockets, which are Mopar ball joint removal sockets, very large sockets. But you want to get those, and you want to have to probably have a friend help you get those out, because my wife actually held my press. I used my press as a vise, and I put a handle on the handle and had a big long breaker bar on it to break it. So I got that out. So now that's out. So now, anyways, back to what I was going to show you here. This is a control arm bushing, which I've tried on. I messed with it for like an hour or so on my press, and I couldn't get it to chuck up right. So I came up with this rig. And let me tell you, don't bang on this top part. That will delaminate. Ask me how I know. So yeah, fortunately I have extras, so I can kind of mess with it like that. But I got 2 pieces here to basically get it to where I can bang on the lower lip of this ball joint. So you don't want to bang on that, or bang on the bottom part here, right? So this goes perfectly over the top of it, and this is an adapter pipe exhaust. Probably get it in any auto store, which is 1 3/4 ID to 1 3/4 OD. So larger of that goes over. Sorry, let me buzz out. The larger part of that goes over this, and then this other piece that I put on the top is out of a bearing adapter removal kit for a front end car, and it goes right over this perfectly. And then I got like this mini 10-pound sledge, and this will drive it right down in. And unfortunately, I don't have someone to hold the camera, and I don't have a tripod in here, so I'm gonna bang this in and I'll show you the end result. And it's just, you know, a little bit of wrist power here. It's bright light. Just want to show you that gap is closed. I don't know if that's helping any, but it's got to close. Yeah, see, I might even tap it just a little bit, maybe here or there. One other thing, show you where this, not that you really need this, but something like it. Okay, so this piece came out of this kit. All right, say model 78825. Now, probably don't need to buy this whole kit for this, but if you're desperate, I suppose you could. And hey, this worked perfectly. All right, that was